Get ready for the biggest, best founder and investor meetings this year. Pitch4Capital is thrilled to announce 2024 Perfect Your Pitch Presentation Demo Days and business workshops coming soon to a city near you. We'll be revealing our upcoming venues and city schedule, so mark your calendars. Investors, you're invited to judge and vote for the best companies in pre-seed, seed, post-seed, and Series A and B categories using Pitch4Capital powered by startup Steroid and SPV Hub. Meet Doug, a seasoned entrepreneur who has successfully raised capital for his first venture. Now, he's entering the Pitch4Capital contest to showcase his new startup and connect with strategic partners, investors, sophisticated family offices, and VCs one-on-one in person to accelerate his business growth. Doug knows the value of face-to-face connections. Join him at Pitch4Capital and elevate your startup journey. Now meet Susan. This is her first startup, and she knows she has a fantastic idea, but doesn't know where to begin. She's excited about Pitch4Capital's monthly events that offers presentation pitch deck practice and business workshop resources regularly, plus the opportunity to earn member discounts and loyalty points. Susan is seizing the opportunity to learn, network, and the opportunity to win prizes and promote her business. Pitch4Capital is the perfect launchpad for her entrepreneurial dreams. But that's not all. Pitch4Capital offers a unique opportunity for founders with our Perfect Your Pitch presentations. Join our business workshops twice a month, both in person and virtually. We are scheduling monthly events, so check your calendar and join us for insightful workshops and private investor mentoring one-on-ones in person and virtually via Zoom. These events are not just about pitching, they're about building connections. Founders and investors book private meetings to explore potential partnerships. We live stream portions of these events on our social media platforms, making it accessible to a broader audience. Plus, we use Zoom for private one-on-one virtual meetings for members. But we don't stop there. Pitch4Capital offers on our Manhattan-based internet radio studio show, a broadcast-quality internet radio station with a mission to empower, uplift, and educate since 2010. With almost 50 shows and thousands of episodes, this studio has over 300,000 listeners in over 120 countries around the globe. And it doesn't end there. Our video TV studio distribution network plans to deliver content to over 7 cable TV channels, reaching more than 500,000 households in Manhattan. Our programming will be carried on our distributor U.S. national program partner, reaching over 20 million households nationwide on Dish and DirecTV satellite TV. Stay connected, stay tuned, and be part of the revolutionary startup ecosystem with Pitch4Capital.